What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at ACH reverser on the WeBull platform. So for those of you that are new to this, ACH reverser simply means that you actually put a request to transfer money from your bank account to WeBull, and when WeBull try to withdraw that money, the money wasn't in the account. So let's say you want to withdraw 10,000, and then when WeBull went in to get the money, there was only 500 or there was no money at all, and then there'll be a reverser. So WeBull does charge a fee, or you can initiate a transfer even though you have the money. WeBull starts the transfer, and then you go in and cancel it. WeBull is certainly going to charge you a fee for that. So that's what it means, ACH reverser. So but before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, this is a channel dedicated to everything WeBull, the tips and tricks on how to leverage the WeBull platform to become a better investor. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So there's several reasons why you can have an ACH reverser on the WeBull platform. Number one is that you don't have enough money in your account. So again, like I said, you can put in a transfer of $5,000 from your bank account to WeBull. By the time you were putting in that transfer, the money was there, and then you write a check to somebody for $4,500 maybe 2 hours later, and then they withdraw that money, they cash that check before the WeBull initiate that transfer. By the time WeBull goes to get that money, it's gone. So it means you don't have sufficient funds to be able to do that. In that case, WeBull is going to charge you a fee for that reverser, which is $30. As you can see here, they do charge a fee for $30. The next one is that you have duplicate operations. Duplicate operations, which simply means that you put in a transfer twice, because WeBull doesn't know that. You say, hey, transfer 5,000, and then the transfer goes through, or the process starts, you go in and say transfer another 5,000, even though you only have 5,000. Then you realize that you have two transfers, you go in and cancel it. Then that's where it's called duplicate, and WeBull is going to charge you a $30 fee to cancel the second transaction. The third one is that your bank flat out reject that transfer for some reason whatsoever, security reasons or whatever the case is. Your bank just rejects that transfer, so WeBull is going to charge you a $30 fee because it's not their fault, it's your bank's fault, and you can work it out with your bank. See, and then the other one is just recalled by oneself. So in this case, you put in the transfer, and the transfer starts to go through, and then you be like, hey, stop it, I don't want it. And we was like, are you sure? You say yes, and then we was like, but if we have to stop it, then we'll have to charge you $30. You're like, yep, go ahead and do it because I need the money back in my account. And then WeBull is gonna put that money back, but minus $30. So those are the 4 reasons why you would have an ACH reverser on the WeBull platform. Let me know in the comment section, what are some of the reasons why you think people get, what's the number one reason why you think people get ACH reverser among this list? Is it because of insufficient fund or duplicate operations, or rejected by the bank, or recalled by oneself? Let me know which one is the number one reason in the comment section. Again, if you're new, we talk about everything WeBull, tips and tricks on how to use the WeBull platform to become a better investor. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.